Good afternoon.
Hello and welcome to ИнстаФорекс TV channel. This edition will be presented by us, Takhmina Salomova
and Anna Kasatkina.
You're watching the currency and commodity markets roundup for the last week.
What currencies won favor with investors on Friday?
The US dollar touched a two-week high against rival currencies.
And what exactly triggered the dollar's rally?
The US dollar received a boost from recent statements by US President Donald Trump. Even a decline in the consumer confidence index from the University of Michigan did not hinder the dollar's advance. The euro-dollar pair dropped to 1.0641. Last Monday, the pair opened at 1.0780. Thus, the euro shed 139 pips over the week. The US dollar gained solid support from Trump's comments on Thursday that in a few weeks he would unveil the draft of the most large-scale tax reform since Ronald Reagan's presidency. At the same time, the US dollar index rose to a two-week high at 100.88. The pound sterling closed at 1.2491 against the greenback on Friday. The British currency showed a flat dynamic last week. The pound sterling took a nosedive on Tuesday, falling below 1.2390. After a while, the pound was underpinned by the news that the UK policymakers would vote for Brexit before the European Parliament's meeting. Besides, Christine Forbes, an official of the Bank of England, made a remark about a possible increase of the key interest rate in the short run. On Friday, the Office for National Statistics reported that the UK manufacturing output expanded 2.1% in December, way above a forecast for a modest 0.5% rise. The report also reads that the overall industrial output increased 1.1% in December, up from the expected 0.2% growth. The separate report revealed a contraction of the UK trade balance deficit in December. And that's all about main market moves on Forex. Takhmina, what trends were unfolding on commodity markets last week?
On Friday, WTI futures traded high in light of the unexpected drop in the US petrol inventories. March West Texas Intermediate crude rose 1.25% to settle at $53.86 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange, with prices marking their highest finish since February 6. The oil rally is supported by the fact that the OPEC countries have reached a record compliance of 90% with their agreed output cuts. March Brent crude on London's futures exchange shed 1.47% to trade at $56.70 a barrel. Nevertheless, this price is the highest level since February 6. Gold prices ended high on Friday, but still remained below a three-month high that was hit a week earlier. Gold was pressured by strength in the US dollar, which dulled investors' interest in the metal amid Donald Trump's announcement on the massive tax reform. February gold futures declined to $1,235 a troy ounce on COMEX, the division of the New York Mercantile Exchange. Gold prices climbed 1.3% for the week. On Wednesday, gold rose to $1,245 and the highest level since mid-November.
You have watched the weekly update on the currency and commodity markets on ИнстаФорекс TV channel.
It has been presented by us, Anna Kasatkina
and Takhmina Salomova.
Good luck and see you later.
Bye.